Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sam. Thank you so much for being here. I have another Halloween haul, a Michaels Halloween haul. I am a big Halloween crafter. Those are my favorite kind of crafts to do. Currently drinking some coffee, some iced coffee. Today I had my windows open and it felt like the first day of fall. You know how the weather feels when you're like, fall is in the air. So that's what it felt like this morning, and it just made my heart so happy. So I got a lot of craft goodies because I'm gonna be doing my first vendor fair this winter, and I'm really nervous. I've always wanted to do one, so I needed to get some supplies so I can do like my planners, Halloween cards and whatnot. That's also kind of stressing me out, but in a good way, you know. A lot of these things are like stickers, embellishments, but they're all Halloween and they're all so cute. First up, we have this sticker pad. These are all from Recollections. I love using these stickers for anything. These packs are my favorite. You get so many different types of stickers all in one pack, so you don't have a lot of loose sheets going around everywhere, but I really liked this one. I have a bunch of these ones. Oh my goodness, I had to get all of them. This pack is my favorite. They had these styles of stickers a few years ago, and I just thought they were so cute. The artwork I really liked, so I'm glad that they have more. Love this sheet. So many options, so many cute little stickers. I feel like maybe this haul should have been like a tabletop view with my hands. I grabbed a bunch of these die cuts, and it says they're die cut stickers, but I don't really know if they stick. These are the images. You get 24. Oh, these are stickers. This is amazing. These little pumpkins. It says Halloween happy. Halloween happy. Happy Halloween, I mean. We have these ghosts, candy corn, little bats. These are really cute. Let's see what else we got in this pack. It says trick or treat. So adorable. More jack-o'-lanterns. We have some more jack-o'-lanterns. Oh my goodness. These are also from Recollections. Recollections is probably the majority of my Halloween craft stash. Like, I've been getting them for years. Found these sticker embellishments, and I love these so much. I could turn these into anything, like paper clips for my planner. You could do barrettes, all sorts of things. I love when I'm crafting, I love adding glitter, I love adding sparkle, and I love adding bling stickers like rhinestones, sequins. These are always a staple in my craft collection. I have so many different colors of jewels because they're just so easy to work with. Most of the time there's always adhesive on the back, so you can pick, peel them, and stick them. When I was at Michael's, they had like little pieces of ribbon clustered up. I'll show you guys those in a second, which I really appreciate. I feel like there's not as much Halloween ribbon as there used to be, because I've checked a few different locations and it's just more of the bigger, thick ribbon for the wreaths that everyone makes. There wasn't a lot of different patterns that I was really gravitating towards. Thankfully, I have so much in my stash already. So this one is a candy corn pattern. And then this is a smaller ribbon, and it just says Happy Halloween and also has a little jack-o'-lantern. I love the color change of the font. I don't know if you can really see that on camera, but I forgot. I also grabbed some more glitter ribbon. I need to know your thoughts. So I know that some people don't like the pastel Halloween, but I feel like going into Michael's, the way they had it set up, I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I think it works for Creepmas. I think it works for Halloween. All sorts of ideas come to my head. I just want to buy some so I can kind of decorate a little corner come winter time and just have it be a little bit different, because I have all my Halloween decor out. It's like I never really get that chance to unbox the Halloween decor and put it out and decorate. It's just kind of like, it's here, which I love, and it does make me happy, but you kind of miss that little like opening the Halloween decor box magic, if you know what I mean. When I lived by myself, I was I felt like I was able to decorate more because the apartment, I could keep it clean easier, just worry about my own things. So my point was their pastel selection, how they had it set up at this one Michael's location that I went to. I really loved it, and it just made my heart happy. You might find a few things that you can use for crafting if you're looking to build up your collection, just in different areas that you might not think of. So check like all the aisles, and your brain will just automatically start thinking of ideas. The more you craft, the more you see these things. If I see anything, I'm like, what can I turn that into, or how can I use that multiple ways? Anyways, so in the pastel section, they had this little skeleton garland, which I thought was so cute. I love that it's holographic. It's like one of my favorite things. Holographic, it's so cute. Got these mainly because I will be using these as die cuts instead of the banner. I also love looking at all of the Halloween baking supplies and utensils because they are just so cute, and I just wish I had the time to do baking, or maybe more like I wish I had the resistance not to eat everything once I bake it. I don't trust myself, you know? Toppers for cupcakes, little snacks, little treats. I use them for crafting. So I got a few packages of these. Comes with a jack-o'-lantern, a ghost, and a black cat. Usually it will be glitter on one side and then the other side is non-glitter. So you get two different options if you want to like sparkle it up or if you don't. Here's another pack that I grabbed. This is more of like Halloween neon. Looking at the decor at Michael's, and then also I feel like Spirit is also doing some of it, and there was another store I went to recently. Was it Big Lots maybe? I don't know. I feel like the neon Halloween is coming out. Found this sticker pack. Comes with 60 stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what stickers we got in here, because this one, usually it'll kind of show you on the back what's all included, but this one did not show me. Same sheet, so I guess that's why. Loved the look of these, and I thought I could use them for my Halloween Happy Mail as well as crafting. I honestly need to reorganize all of my craft stuff. I'm gonna do some organization videos, guys. I know I always say that, but I'm just gonna do it. I think once Halloween is done, and probably once I get done with the market that I'm going to be doing, I think then, like, as much as I love Halloween, like, it's very busy, you know? So kind of like the after Halloween and like during the holidays, like I like to take that as like my own little breather, you know, from like take a little break from social media, posting videos, and just kind of enjoying the winter season and being like a little lonely bat during the winter. It sounds depressing, but I promise it's not. Like, winter makes me so happy. Probably as happy as fall does. I just love winter. I mean, I'm wearing a sweatshirt and it's probably like 70 degrees outside. So Michael's has these little trim bundles that you can get, and they had a bunch of Halloween ones with like little ribbon scraps. Got two of these. I think they're different. Yeah, they're different, but you can see all sorts of different patterns, different textures. We have a lace, just all sorts of goodies. I will definitely use all of these for my crafting. These are perfect and I just love them. I mean, look at all the fun stuff you get here. This one is more like a solid ribbon pack. There's mostly solid colors in here, but it's more like satin ribbon. You get a few different little prints. This one's cute. Just all sorts of little cute prints and patterns, which I really appreciate. Oh, this one is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I found this Park Lane printed cardstock, and I loved it because it also had foiling on some of these prints, and this is the Crypts and Cobwebs collection. I always make sure that I can stock up on these too, because you can use these as cards. You can make anything out of everything. I always try to grab a few of these. This pattern, I only did one pack of these just because it is a little bit, the tones are a little bit darker than I personally draw to. It's still really cute, and I can use a lot of the blacks and like the creams and stuff. Do a quick flip through. Ooh, look at the plaid. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Are you joking me? Wow, this is stunning. It's cute. Look at the tree branches. Oh, this one's nice. That reminds me of like a hotel. Okay, I lied. I really love this pack. I think when I was looking at the samples that it shows on the cover, I was like, yeah, I can use that for something, but I didn't realize how beautiful they were. Like, oh, they're gorgeous. One of my favorite things to look at when Halloween decor is on the shelves is lights. There's just something about a good old box of Halloween lights that really, it gets my heart beating. Do you know what I mean? Like when I was younger, I loved Halloween lights, and I remember I would always beg my mom to let me put like my string lights in my room because it was an easy little thing I could just plug in and boom, it's Halloween. Just the memory and the nostalgia, that feeling, you know, like it's kind of like when you're a kid and you sneak out of your bedroom after the Christmas tree has been lit. It's just that feeling when you plug in Halloween lights. Do you know what I mean? In the apartment that I live in, I've always wanted to do different color of lights for the windows. So when anyone's outside, you can kind of look up and see that it's like a Halloween lit window. I purchased 2 boxes of these lights earlier in the season and I really liked them. They're behind me, but you probably can't see them right now. They are these Ashland Halloween lights, and if you guys come across these, I highly recommend them. They are battery operated, which is my go-to. You can do 8 different functions on these lights. You can do purple, orange, fade out purple, fade out orange, 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 purple, 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 orange. All sorts of combinations. If you do get these, just make sure that you're getting the right colors because they do come in like purple and white and then orange and purple. So make sure you're getting the right one. Each year, Michaels has been putting out these these mechanical pens where it comes with the different inks, and it just takes you back. Oh, it takes me back to elementary school for some reason. So I went ahead and grabbed another one because the yellow one here, it's like the perfect orange ink that I use in my planner. So Yugul grabbed more stickers, of course. These are like up by the cash wrap, and I try to grab a few of these packs every year. I am obsessed with Halloween stickers. Like, I just love them so much. So I got 3 packs of this one, and we'll go ahead and do a flip through so you guys can see what it looks like. I grabbed 2 of these. These are more bright. I thought these would be perfect for like Summerween. Like, don't they just yell summertime? So adorable. Real quick, I think I grabbed these from TJ Maxx or something, but this is just another pack of cupcake toppers. You get a few black cats, skeletons, and little ghosts holding pumpkins. We have a few more stickers, and these I got from Target. Talk about going back to elementary school. Like, I was a sticker collecting ghoul. I still am. I'm obsessed with these Halloween puffy stickers. They got like a little puffiness to them, some substance to them. We have these jack-o'-lanterns. They have like these little wiggly eyes. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Grabbed 2 packs of these ones. And the last set of stickers are these Peanuts Halloween stickers. We got the Peanuts crew, Charlie Brown, everyone else, little Snoopy. Snoopy is just the cutest. I literally die. My heart stops when I see the little meme photo of where it shows Snoopy as a little puppy, or like they're like Snoopy as a baby, Snoopy as a puppy. So stinking cute. I'm getting a little hot in this sweatshirt. I really was trying to dress like it was fall, but apparently I'm ready for fall, but fall's not ready for me. Fall, are you ready for me? Is fall gonna be ready for us? I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know in the comments how you are gonna be celebrating fall. It could be here by the time this video goes up. If you guys want, you can follow me on Instagram. All my social links are listed down below. If you want to join the Patreon, join the community, that link is also listed too. Please give this video a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. Be sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you know when there is a new video out. I've been uploading, so check my videos tab so you can catch up on all the latest Halloween happy videos. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!